This is 1966 International Travelall. It's really a neat vehicle. These Travelalls are some of the first SUVs. Happens to be for sale. 32.5, according to that. AC, which is a good feature. And don't know what engine it has. Could have a 6, possibly, a 240, or all the way up to a 304 or 345 V8. And notice that there's custom work been done, the pinstriping. It's pretty nice. Wide white walls. It's two-tone with that yellow bottom and white top and roof rack on top. You can carry a lot of stuff in the back of this, and beautiful upholstery which matches the exterior. Very deluxe interior. Console, and certainly that steering wheel wasn't standard. Quite a vehicle, and you just don't see these Travelalls all that much. Pretty rare vehicle, and this one is in great condition. And it looks like the gas tank is there. Be interesting to know where the gas tanks are positioned in the chassis.